Hi, you may know me as Sosibo, Mabhece aka iBhelebuce, but I am a skits maker, a father, a man of the family, and Mr. Happy Baby. But before I became like this, I was a masturbator. I used to masturbate with eggs, sunflower oil, sunlight, but Clientele helped me, as now I am their brand ambassador. Clientele offers a range of prostitutes, aka oMahosha. During these tough times, we provide oMahosha when you need them. Siyazi ukuthi i-butterwet ivaliwe, moral is closed, point is closed, so there is no way to get oMahosha. So we provide a solution for your problem.
Nami Clientele Bhece ngiyayazi yangisiza. Imedi yami ixabana nami ithi ngiyafela. Kanti mina ngahlangana nosisi etown banginika i-offer engangikwazi uku-reject. So ngiyabonga Clientele Bhece.
We also have Clientele Bhece legal, where we fight your battles in court. Yes, we fight for your battles in court. You are not failing, you are just buying. Yes, and if it happens that your lady brings you to court, you will tell them in court that you were just walking and the lady came to you and provided a sex. It is only business.
2018, ngangihlala e-Stealing House. Ngangijwayele ukushaya indlwabu kakhulu emashabeni. Ngibezwa abafethu bebambile imeeting bekhuluma bethi hayibo siyashiblika kunendoda ishiblika. Ungidli nembeza ngoba ngazi ukuthi umini ubashilisa. Ngafika nomqondo omusha ukuthi kumele ngibhole umqamelo ngifende wona. Kanti ngizothi ngiyawufenda ngelilanga angikade ukuthi.
Abafethu yabo le mpahla eClientele Bhece yamashi line. Bethi ngangurumzali nekudinga ukuthi in-Stealing House. Waneyipopolo baba, epopolo kade intokazi ethokoza Mabhece. Ebuyishaya indlwabu kanzima kahle. Ayishaye nangekhondom, azayishaye ngezandla eziwu-2. Kabhaqi ngilimi la. Babuya ngitshela ukuthi 3 sap izandla eziwu-2.
Join Clientele Bhece now and get oMahosha for your own benefit. WhatsApp Shima to the number below or SMS invite to the number below. We will call you back.
Furthermore, you may know this as the phone, but it can be everything you need. You can download our app on Google Play. Our app is called Clientele Bhece app. When you are using this app, you get discounts when you buy oMahosha. Like you get 15% discount. And with this app, it also have a feature when you can just put in your location and you can get a place suitable for you and near you. And you can even order oMahosha for the night.
Akathi ngiqala ngithenga khona nga-requesta ingane ngo-50 rand ngiqala nje isimanga sento ngashaya i-whole night ngathi sengijwayele sengithenga nango-20 rand nangokuthi akubizi kakhulu nawe ungathenga uyeke i-rape.
At Clientele Bhece, we offer a range of oMahoshas. We offer prostitutes of different types. We have Isdudla aka uMabhece, we have Islenda, and we have Tik Shabinyana, and we have oMahoshas with 2 stomachs. Yes, we offer everything. You can choose a wide range of styles. We offer women on top, we offer a blow job, and we offer a dog style. Yes, if your lady used to give you a dog style with a back like this, our ladies give you a perfect dog style for your dreams. Join Clientele Bhece now and have oMahoshas during this lockdown time. Sibonga yona uthi Clientele Bhece ukuthi ayasiza ngoba ngihlala naye kulo nyaka ethi yabo esesgate yangitshela ukuthi intabaza ayishaya. Wase engijoinisa nami Clientele Bhece ukuthi amasha ngishalise. IsiZulu sithi indlala ibanga ulaka, and ulaka lakho luzolukhiphela abantwini abaronga. Stop masturbating. It's only 70 rand per month. Join Clientele Bhece and have a wide range of omahoshas. Yes, it's for your own good. Yes, it is for your own good. And please, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell and comment below. I value your comments and your opinion. I know that this is very dirty and disgusting, but it's a solution.